Hey guys, it's me Luis from Vidriokar glass replacement. One more day. Today let me show you a little trick if you want to play with this technique, outside technique, and the quarter glasses. So if you want to play with the outside technique, because you want to just play something different, not just the blades, the GT or jammer or push knife, you can play with the outside technique. Now the difficult part in the outside technique is when you have to adjust the speed on your drill. Sometimes you go too much, sometimes too slowly. It's kind of difficult to adjust it. I do because I got a lot of practice. But if you want to play like that, let me show you this guy. Okay, this guy is to adjust the speed on the drill. Okay, you can play in this way. So this is the perfect speed in the outside technique. A little bit more if the glass is tough, the glue is very tough. Okay, you see, you can adjust the speed, hands free, very nice. Now if you don't have this guy, because I don't see this guy on sales, so you don't have this guy, so you can make one. This one is for the pipes, for those kind of hole pipes. The only you have to take off is this belt. It's a metal belt. Take it off, save the same screws, use the velcros, and the only you have to do with the grinder is just grind this part right here, because that one has to fit with the with this part on the back, or you can just leave it like that. It's up to you. Okay, so the only you have to do now is these guys will be attaching from the back of this guy right here. Let me show you on this point and right here. So the only you have to do now is just tighten the belt right there and right there. Okay, and tight, and you're in the back of the drill, and now the only you have to do is adjust the speed. Let me take this one off. You playing with the outside technique. Okay, let's say you got the outside technique playing. Okay, and then all you have to do is adjust the speed. You see that? You can adjust it a little bit more slowly, and this one will be on the back, so it's not going to be touching anything. Now if it's touching something, you can put it in the front, but I like more on this part, or you can put even on the side, depending how you're working. Okay, you see, like this, more speed. That's why you make the shape with the grinder, because that way it's not going to move side to side. More speed, and you got it at hand speed. You're not going to go that fast in the outside technique, but this is the perfect speed, like that, or maybe less, like that. Okay, even you can play in this position on the side if you want. You see, if it's on your way touching the metal of the body here or here, you can put it on the side, more slowly or loosen. Okay guys, and that's all. I'm just taking down, and you can take it off. Okay guys, so I hope you like the tip today. Remember, this guy is not really expensive. You can find in any store. The velcros, the grinder just right here, and you got your automatic speed adjuster. Okay guys, all right, that's all for me. I gotta go home. We finish the day and we are home. Okay guys, thank you so much, and thank you for watching this video. Welcome to the Vidriokar glass replacement Facebook group tutorials. For some of the new people are in this group, but if the people are here already, you can take this advice. Alright guys, thank you so much. See you next time.